Hi guys, we've made Plasma a little bit nicer thanks to the guys of Papyrus. The RKDE theme has been applied, and because of it everything is also dark. What if you don't want this dark thing to be on your machine? Well, Plasma is beautiful in the sense you can change so many things, and I just made a video pointing you in the direction of all the buttons, right? There are a few buttons to can press, get new global themes, and every single one has one. Every single one has one, right? So that's 1. 2, pointed you to Pling, and 3, pointed you to KDE Store. But what if all that is not necessary? What if I just want to do this here? That's possible as well, right? Having something white again is Breeze or Surf and Plasma Light or stuff like that. So I'll take this one, Surf and Plasma Light, as an example. Everything comes white again. And the choices, this is a global theme, which means it sets everything in this, all this left thing has been written in here. Take this, take that, this, that as a cursor, that, and so on, right? So it's choices of the developer who makes this thing. But then, of course, you can dive back into the code and say, I want to have quantum because I want to have it white, apply. And then, and this is the video where ArchLinux Tweak Tool changes. So the ArchLinux Tweak Tool is now all in black when we boot up with ArcoLinux B Plasma. But if you want that to have also a white color, this is the welcome, it's all black. You have to remember that these are GTK applications. So there's a button that says GNOME GTK applications, and it's still set to Arc Dark, meaning black. So Arc it is. Apply. We want everything to be white and uniform on our system. So GNOME GTK application style Arc. Save. That's one, but now we've closed the rest, so we wanted to go over the rest of the stuff. So that's one. Then the colors maybe you can change here as well. If you want something different, you can just pick out the window decorations. You'll maybe like this Nordic thing. Personally, I like it as well. So if we click this, the buttons will change up here, right? So apply, done. We've got something else. Fonts maybe a little bit bigger. This looks bad, but it's okay. Changing icons, themes, and all that. Reboot. Best thing I can say. Reboot, right? Or log out, reboot, doesn't matter. But one of those. Try it out. So Surf and Plasma Light is our choice. Okay, cool. And then splash screen, yes, no. No, thank you. So this is going more in detail, because at the global theme, it's somebody else who chooses all these settings, but you can start with this. So 80% is correct, and then you will tweak like these buttons up here, the way you see fit. So if we close everything, and I hope it's gonna work in the system, I don't have to reboot. Seeing that the video, let's try. So probably need to reboot. This has to do, there's one thing more we should do. I always tend to forget it. I forgot it again, right? So we're talking about, I've made videos about quantum, and quantum is now part of our system of Plasma. So you always have to think, who is controlling my system? And this is a new guy on Plasma anyway, right? We use it all the time since 5 years on XFCE, but on Plasma, all right. So who's controlling it? Change delete theme. It says Arc Dark. So okay, fine. It has to be white as well. Yes. So use this theme. Everything changes, and everything that's an application, and Tunar, Dolphin, ArchLinux Tweak Tool, right, are applications. So that's what it says here. Workspace, application style, and then you say okay, check, double check, all done. Now we can have a go at it. So first, just a general Dolphin. Dolphin is now normally white. We can delete this. So this is Samai, guys. This is on my other computer. I make the video here and I put it on the computer 3-4 meters from me, and then I'll upload it to YouTube. This is how it's done. And this is your home, the home folder looking like this. And then the tweak tool, Ctrl-Alt-W, right? It still needs to change. Probably reboot, right? Probably, I'll see. And then we have the ArchLinux Tweak Tool. Now this one, we've made something special for this one because it starts up as a sudo user. So meaning it's actually root. So we had to do some coding in there so that it's applied as well. Now these things have also the tendency, and it's Plasma, right? Have the tendency to do things that we don't want. In GTK 3, it says GTK application prefer dark theme true. Right? Give me a dark theme, it says. No, false. Don't want that. So that's something specific. I haven't found anything online, but that's it. He wants to be in control, and this line here would be best left out, but it's not, right? So false. I don't want a dark theme. I want something white. So Ctrl S, save again. And such is life, and we figure things out and we share the knowledge. That's what we do on ArcoLinux. It's white. Quit. And Ctrl-Alt-E. This has to be started twice. As you know, I just told you, it's all about being root rather than being a user. And then he knows, oh, you've changed from dark to white. Okay, cool. And it's all in white again. So this is how it's done, how to change from black to white. And I'll make the video, I'll put the video online right now. Right, cheers.